Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you Forex simple and easy strategy. We open Euro USD in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need CCI indicator. With change some settings. If CCI indicator break green level up, align upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If CCI indicator break red level lower line downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.